I'm working on a 2006 BMW 325. Car came in with traction control faults and ABS faults and stuff on the instrument cluster. So I scanned the ABS control unit and it has faults for this wheel speed sensor, the left rear. When I looked at live data values, you could see that the wheel speed sensor was still registering speed. It wasn't like open circuit or something like that. It was still seeing rotation when I looked at live data, and it looked very similar to the other ones as far as wheel speed. But I see this fairly often. The actual tone ring, let me see if I can get an angle, the actual tone ring that's attached to the axle, what happens is they rust so bad between the ring and the axle that it pushes it out and damages the ring. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Let me see if I can get a better. And so you can just kind of spin it, and on these BMWs you can see it pretty well. Some cars it's harder to see, and sometimes they're built into the wheel bearing, but on this one it's kind of part of the axle. Some cars are serviceable, some they're not. But what you want to do is just look around and see if you can find damage to that ring, where the little windows are. That's where the sensor's picking up. So just kind of rotate it and check for damage. I used to see this a lot on older Audis. Same thing would happen. It would actually rust so bad that sometimes it would crack, and then one of those gaps would be larger, so it would set off the wheel speed. You know, you'd be getting a bad reading, and that's what would set the wheel speed sensor fault. So something that you see sometimes. If it's a fault where you clear it and the car's stationary and it doesn't return right away until you get rolling and then it comes back, then this is something that it could be. It's not, you know, always just a wheel speed sensor problem. But yeah, so something to look for. Thanks.